recording. We arrived here in Boracay. I mean not Boracay, but what you call this one? Katiklan? I don't know. Because Boracay is an island.
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you, over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got a lot of the same friends.
Thank you.
Is there bathroom? Yes.
Oh, there you go. They have study to go in the front. Who's in the front taking a video? So this is station 3. And then I think going to station 2 and station 1. It's rocky. Look at that. Look at the boat.
Soon enough, there come a weekend when we just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is, I don't know how to.
Sufficient time na yun.
The London drink. So welcome drink juice.
To forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right by now, and I didn't care. And hiding from the truth would have got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm done.
Deja vu.
Bakit ang bilis mo? Kanina nakita kita doon. Nauna pa siya. Naglakad lang siya or ano?
Opo, naglakad lang.
Ay,
Damis mo yan.
labis mo ano lang.
So here's your room key po.
Mr.
And by
Room.
the way po, if you open the bathroom po pala.
Saka natin siya.
Oh,
The pass.
So, now, you go here.
welcome foods. Look at this.
Ganda ng bigo paglabas mo rin, no?
Let's see the bathroom.
Is this, you have to pay for this?
Nice. Yeah, I think so. Only on the no, on the top. Nice.
Yeah, but coconut is a family of pampers.
Separate shower and a toilet. And then, so this is our first meal here in Boracay. It's dinner time. We skip lunch.
Like, yeah, we're gonna skip lunch.
So they have a complimentary bread. I really like it. It's really good. You like it, Mel? And the one that you had, it's good, ha, Daddy? Sarap.
Amazing, the pineapple.
We have our food. Melody got the garlic rice. I got the plain rice. I'll share with hubby. And this is tuna kilawin.
That's your... Oh, so you can measure how much spices you want to mix.
Oh, that's a lot
That's
of
why they put it
spices.
on
And
the
this
side.
is, they call it pansit luglug. And We're still waiting for the
Lagyan mo dito sa
crispy pata. Look at the
Kasi you need
spices.
space for that.
Is this? Oh, ginger. What do you call this one? Onion.
Scallion, right?
I think this is jalapeno and
Yes, jalapeno and
bell pepper.
bell pepper.
For
Thank
this.
you, Asha.
Wow, this is a lot of food.
Tamang serving ah. Nagulat ako ah.
Malaki pa talaga yun.
Yan, crispy pata. Tapos gusto mo pa kanina mag-order ng grilled puset.
Yeah. Tipid din tayo nag-order.
Okay, next time we know.
Kalamansi in here.
This is actually a frozen coconut.
Because you already have a second spoon.
but I need you again.
It's our second day. We're going to have a breakfast at Bintana. Oh, I love the bread pudding. Okay. I'll show you guys what they have here in Shangri-La. Look at this. Oh, wow. They have a lot of selections. And then all kinds of juice. Wow. Food station. Mel, what you gonna get? Mga Pilipino kakanin. Tsaka bread at tinapay. Ube mahablang ka. Oh, you gonna like that, Mel? I don't know what is this. Lots of stuff. Oh, they have Deli's Daing. Yogurt. Is that ice cream? Didn't even know. No. She said she doesn't even know what to get for so many selections. Oh, ano dito? Soup.
Pares.
Pares? Oh, beef pares. Oh, okay. My God, ano to? Okay. Ano tong mga... Oh, taho. Oh, okay. My favorite. My favorite. The healthy section. Are you gonna get omelette again? Which one? Oh, this one? Scrambled egg. They have buto bongbong also.
Yeah,
Made to
pandikoko.
order.
Yeah, pandikoko.
They have all kind of stuff.
And then look,
And then they have beef pares.
they have
You
taho.
like Melody likes it. They have frozen yogurts. And then I want to show you this one too. They're making puto bongbong. I want to take a picture here.
You don't like that one?
Ito yung pupunta natin. So this is the mall. Lots of a shopping store and restaurant like cafe.
I'll be
Thank
Doon
you.
pa patient kayo dito sa amin ulit. Ever na may chance right?
We just had Jollibee. Doon kami kumain. We are here. We gonna come back here and swim here. Papunta kami sa sa may grotto. We rode an e-trike to go to this place.
Something can hurt you so bad, but you fall right back. Happens just like that. And I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my heart? I'm treading carefully.
Last night we got a complimentary wine from the desk manager, I think. And so we're gonna try it. I think this is a red wine, Cabernet.
So why did we get a
Sauvignon.
complimentary wine?
Oh, we got complimentary wine because they gave us a room that's supposed to have a pool view, but when we went
Not pool view, ocean view.
ocean view, but when we went to the balcony, it was actually a palm tree view. So it's a bunch of palm tree leaves,
Coconut.
coconut tree.
Coconut tree. We cannot, it's
Yeah.
hard to see.
So we went back to the front desk and they said, "Can we give us a better room?" So they did. To give us this room right here, right now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try this red wine.
So I think, yeah.
It comes with the, three of us, and then it
They
comes
felt
with walnut.
bad because we're the one who move our luggage
Yeah, we
and
actually,
stuff.
we were just aggressive, so we help ourselves and move our luggage.
Yeah, it's getting late and we just wanna rest. And they gave us
Now we're gonna try.
they gave us nuts also.
We'll see how this thing tastes like. I'm not a wine drinker, so I'm looking for something sweet.
That's what I told the manager also. She asked me, said like, "Do you
Oh.
drink wine?" I said,
Not
just a
bad.
little bit.
It's pretty good. It's very smooth. For me, it's smooth.
This is our second time going to a dinner here at Vintana. This is what we got for dinner here at Vintana.
And then this is Melody with patis.
This is our balcony. It's nice that it has 2 lounge beds.
How something can scar you so deep, but you fall right back.
So this is Shangri-La Hotel. The entrance is really nice. Nice Christmas tree. These are boutiques.
Need you again. Unless this time we're holding on. The truth is, I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right back up, and I didn't care. And hiding from the truth would have got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not ready to meet you
Okay, our room is this way. So these are our beachfront rooms. Hi guys. Hi Dad. We're gonna go down all the way there. This resort is so big. Oh, hindi naman mahangin dito, Dad. It's not windy here. We're going down swimming. Do they provide the life vest? Or you have to pay for it? Oh, they have this one too, like pangulation.
Yan lang sa likod kasi mainit saka kung gusto niyo dito saan ka po dito.
Gusto mo dito? Muna mag-isip tayo dito, right? Yeah, dito muna.
Ako baka uminit mo lang. Ito na maganda.
Gusto ko. Alam mo, Pilipino gusto ng shade. Ay, let's go walk there. I like to go there.
Okay. Thank you.
It's drizzling. So we walk all the way here at the Crimson. Mas maraming taong nagsiswimming dito.
Marami na kasi
Let's go, Dad, swimming. Let's go in the water. After the beach, we're gonna stay here at the pool. They have such a nice pool. Amel, you like their pool? Oh, it's raining again. It's not too windy here, huh? I said Dusit Tani has the best pool that we've ever been, but I think this is the best one so far again.
Gigit na kita. Masuk ka dito sa left. Masuk ka pa. Para gina. Yan, stop sa stop.
Fresh coconut, pizza, Okay, we're gonna eat lunch for now. Hello.
Yan, tako pa.
Daddy got the coconut. Wow, we got so much pizza. Look at my dessert. Halo-halo.
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you, over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I.
Fourth day here at Shangri-La. Breakfast time again. Have the same thing.
Oh.
Same fruit.
Oh, you got dragon fruit?
Yeah, dragon fruit and ano.
Is it sweet?
Mangosteen. Yeah, it's good. We have our towels. So these blue towels are for ano, bringing outside the resort. We're going to station 2. This is Eat Right. Rosa Emily.
What's the bayad daw? Saan tayo magpapa-stop?
Doon sa may D-Mall.
I know that we got a lot of the same friends, and soon enough they're gone.
Actually, nasakyan mo na combination tricycle jeepney.
It's like parang jeep rin to, anak.
Yung setup niya parang
Mas malaki lang.
Pero tricycle.
Tingnan. So I just convinced Melody to take a photo with this crystal kayak. She doesn't really want to do it. I said like, do it. It's really nice. I'm the one who really like it. Wow, this is so nice. Man, best beach ever.
We just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. I'm not ready to meet you again.
So this is the shuttle to go back to the hotel. Back at the hotel, here at the pool. We're gonna eat lunch here again. Look at their menu. This is their menu, and then you can just like, they just hang it there. And also there's I'm gonna show you this one if you need assistance. Right here, you just press this. This is Shangri-La's private beach.
Unless this time we're holding on. The truth is, I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept up by now, and I didn't care. And hiding from the truth would have got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not ready to meet you again.
Paano kalalim dyan? Ha?
They give us towels every now and then.
Yeah,
At the beach and here.
Yep. It smells so good. It's so refreshing. It's like a lemongrass. Is it a lemongrass?
I'm not sure
Scent?
this one's lemongrass.
Where's mine?
You weren't here to get it.
I didn't even get one, Dad. Lunch at the pool.
You again.
Okay. The water is so calm. Water is so clear. Look at this. Wow.
I'll be
Guests arriving. The other one just left.
Funny how something can hurt you so bad, but you fall right back. Happens just like that, and I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my heart? I'm treading carefully. Crazy how something can scar you so deep.
We're heading to dinner. We're gonna miss this sunset from our room today. But hopefully we're gonna have a nice view from the restaurant.
Scar you so deep, but you fall right back. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is, I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right back up, and I didn't care. And hiding from the truth would have got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not.
So this is our table. Take a video. What a nice view. That's the sunset. Complimentary bread. This is my drink. It's called Solano Garden. Daddy has watermelon juice. Melody has the same. We got our appetizers. This is octopus and tempura. Shrimp tempura.
Ready?
It's cooked right,
Yep.
not chewy.
So tender.
Yeah. Just gonna take a picture of my meat.
And we got our food. He and Melody has the same. We got miso cod right now. How about Daddy? Daddy got the Wagyu. I think that's American Wagyu because that's a lot.
You wanna try it, Mel?
No.
Sarap.
Full.
It's good.
This is dessert.
What's this?
Like it?
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you, over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got.
It's nice. Look, stay there. Stay there, baby. There. There's an entertainment there. The view is nice there. Ito yung ano oh. Wedding ano oh. Ganda.
Soon enough, there come a weekend when we just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is, I don't know how to.
Going home today, and the first 3 days that we got here, the weather was good. It was windy, but the weather yesterday was great also. So yeah, we had 1 day to enjoy the beach. Champurrado, puto bongbong. So sweet. It's nice to stay at level 4 because it goes straight to the lobby. You don't need to take stairs. We are leaving today, heading to Manila. We enjoyed our stay here. Nothing can beat the beach here in Boracay. We're just waiting for our ride now to the port.
Puno na sila kasi dun eh.
So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right by now.
Bye, Shangri-La. There's our boat. I see our boat. Some are arriving, some are leaving.
Makaparating. May nakapauwi. May pauwi. Ingat pa kayo sa pag-uwi. Salamat.
Salamat. We had dinner there last night, Sirena. we are back here at the port. This is Shangri-La's lounge here. We are here now at the airport, Boracay Airport departure.
Then, may nintay pa sila.
Finally, we are here now inside our gate here at the Tiklan Airport departure area. Ang daming tao pero mabilis yung security. Very smooth flow. Mabilis lang kami. Mabilis lang kami sa security. It's a bigger plane this time.